Introducing Web INDUSTRIOS Client. With Industrios, you can currently enjoy PlantGauge, our module to help you visualize your data, important information from across your business. PlantGauge serves as a manufacturing intelligence dashboard, transforming raw manufacturing data into actionable knowledge. PlantGauge key features include real-time data visualization, KPI tracking, fostering employee engagement, providing actionable insights, and targeted configurability. You know that feeling when you're staring at your data and thinking, there's got to be more to this story? That's because there is, and that's where we come in. Our new Web INDUSTRIOS client gives you new ways to work with your Industrios data. It runs in your web browser, so you can access it from anywhere. Key features include access from any computer or tablet, create dashboards specific to your role and responsibilities, get more options for visualizing your data with a wider range of chart types, stay informed about important events with the company feed. WIC connects with other Industrios modules like advanced planning and scheduling. WIC enhances PlantGauge to give you more options for data analysis and access. To learn more, visit our website or contact us to schedule a demo.